box, or you can click my Patreon link in a comment section. Yun lang guys. As always, lagi kong sinasabi. Andro Casimir, ayan, shout out. Guillermo Angulo, hola, como estas? Hola, hola everyone, hola, ayan, shout out. And welcome to my live again. Ayan, welcome to my live everyone. Aray. So, ayan, ayaw umano nung ano ko, nung pampadulas ko, charot. Ayan, Oscar. Ano ba naman tong mga to? Papa triple X talaga tong ano ko. Shout out! Julio Garcia. Ayan, shout out to you. Welcome to my live. Yan, welcome. So, siguro mga 30 minutes lang mababa na tong viewers na to dito. Ayan. So, shout out everyone. Ayan, welcome to my live. Dapat silent live talaga tong gagawin ko. Yung tipong hindi ako magpapakita. Pero wala eh. Dami ko kasi viewers kaya nagpakita ako. And Guillermo Angulo, ayan. Buenos dias. Buenos dias, senyor. Guillermo. Hola Garcia. Julio Garcia. Ayan, hola, hola. Buenos dias. Ayan. Kakanood ko ng, kakaroon ko ng mga viewers na, ayan, mga, ano ba? Spanyol colony, ayan. Mga Spanyol na rin aketch. Ayan, shout out everyone. Wala lang. So, mostly naman talaga sa mga viewers ko is also zero lang naman talaga. Yun. But it's okay. So, mababa yung views natin ngayon, kaya nag-live ako. Wala na ako I don't have a lotion in it, so that's why, yun. Wilmar Ando, that's why. Yeah, Wilmar Ando, shout out to you, Wilmar Ando. Que bien. Okay, que bien, Guillermo. Supriyat Nayana, hello, Supriyat Nayana, shout out. Shout out to you, Supriyat Nayana. So, wala na akong lotion. I don't have lotion left. Wala. Ayan, shout out Luis Carlos Spectacular. Spectacular? What is spectacular? Spectacular. Grabe, manghang-mangha kayo sa aking kagandahan. Char. So, hindi pa to yung Rico pati. From Mindanao po, madam. Ayan, Wilmar Ando. Ayan, shout out Wilmar Ando. From Mindanao po, madam. Ayan, from Mindanao siya. Ang katiputik. Ayan, Guillermo Soy Dema. Ano daw? Sorry. I don't know how to understand your comment right now, Guillermo Angulo. Ba't parang Pilipino. Guillermo Angulo, parang Pilipino. Angulo eh. Luis Carlos, ayan, shout out Luis Carlos Mohamed Feroz, good evening, how are you? Ayan, how are you too? I'm good so far. Thank you for asking. Ayan, how are you? How are you all? Yun lang. Andra Casimir, pero me. Charot. Okay, bonita. So, ano ba naman itong mga to? I'm a Filipino and I can only speak a little bit of English. Yeah, just a little. Shout out. Mod Iqbal, shout out Mod Iqbal. Hello to you, yan. Welcome to my live. Sakit. Ayan. I love you too. Oh, thank you so much, Mod Iqbal. Yan, whoever wants to join in my membership, just click the join button. For my Patreon, just click my Patreon link in my channel description box.